Someone told me I should smoke, I did. And you were strong and I was not, my illusion, my mistake. I was careless, I forgot, I did. And now I am gone, there is nothing to say. You have gone so effortlessly. You have won.